Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Liza again. And if you are into fashion, lifestyle, travel, and foods, please, you are in the right place and blog. Please subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for all my new subscriber. I really appreciate. And if you have any questions, on any of my previous posts, please don't hesitate. Just comment below and I will reply back to you if you have any question to all my purchases, guys, or second-hand or used item that I posted here. So guys, we're going to do unboxing again, guys. So I removed the ribbon and the paper bag, okay, but the other one is still there. I didn't open it, guys. Okay, so this is Louis Vuitton coin card holder. They call it Taigarama monogram Noir. Okay, so this is it, guys. So of course the box, I'll show it to you. Hard. It's a little bit folded, guys, because my cat lay down on the top of the box. So just now I noticed it when I removed the clothes on top of the paper bag. So sorry. And the suspect, this is the yung salarin. Okay, guys, that's the prime suspect. That's why my box is a little bit like this. Okay, and this is the item, guys. Okay, I'll show it to you. So we are lucky to get the coin card. This is monogram, guys, and it's color black gray, if I'm not mistaken. Actually they call it Noir, N-O-I-R. Okay, and guys, this one, it's unisex. It's a girl can use it or a guy. Okay, sorry for my dog, it's barking. So I want to show it to you guys. This is the front. So it has one pocket in front and it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 card slots on the other side. So guys, if you notice, because I put my card here last time just to try and I forgot it. I put like 3 cards and I'm really busy, so and my cat lay down on the top, so I get a little bit. So guys, if you're going to use it and there is something like heavy on the top, it will leave a mark like this one. So at least I can show it to you guys. So this is new. Okay, I never use this one, guys. I just forget my other 3 credit cards here. That's why it has mark. And my cat lay down on the top of the paper bag and the bags. Okay, so that's why I put it that way. The last time when I got the LV, I put it like this one, down. So the cat, I didn't notice it because I'm really busy, guys. So I have a lot of things to. Some of them I didn't do unboxing because I use it already. I traveled to New York last month for 12 days. So I'll show you my travel also. I went to New York and Cleveland, but since I went how many times I went to New York, so I didn't take that much video. But in Ohio, Cleveland, it's my first time, so I'm going to show you one of the tourist spot there, which is the Rock and Roll Hall. So wait for that vlog. Okay, so let's go back here, guys. So this is, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 slots of this item. So see, guys, it's really nice. See on my card mark. So this is the common problem they told me. If you're going to in this part, if you're going to use like 2 or 3 here, so make sure, guys, only put 1 or don't put anything here at all if you don't want this. And see, I never use this one. I just forget the card, okay, last time, just to try. See, if you notice also, I remove all the papers that it's inserted here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 card slot, okay, and extra you know, like pocket in front on the other side of the wallet, and it has a space. See, guys, if you open, and it's easy to original, authentic. That's why it's nice, the glide of the zipper. And see, you can expand it, guys, so you can put like folded bills here in inside, folded bills, coins. But here, no, it's not expanding, only one side, guys. Here, no. See, it's at as is lang siya. Okay? So here you can expand it on the side. I really love this color, guys. So to be honest with you guys, this one I'm going to give it to my brother. My brother, because he deserved a gift, and he's a hard-working nurse during pandemic. So he's in the quarantine area, vaccination area, you know. So he deserved a gift from me. So I'm going to give it to him, guys. Okay. So that one, and inside it's all the paper. So first one, it's this one. See the barcode. Okay, sticker. So it's written here, a coin card holder, Taiga, monogram Noir. Noir or Noir? Noir. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's N-O-I-R. Okay? Yeah. So that's the, I think this is the serial number of this one, and it has this one, which is standard in all LB wallet. They have this one. Okay, textile. Okay, and this one with the price. Okay, I will hide the price, and this one. See, and the name of the item. Coin card holder. Taigarama monogram Noir. Okay, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's okay. I accept correction with my pronunciation about the name. So it's okay, guys. But I'm showing it to you. So about the just for the people, guide for the people who are going to buy used item like this. So to find the date code or authenticity code of your item, just in case you're going to buy a second-hand one. So it's here. It's located here, the front pocket, and in the corner side. I think it's in this side. Wait. Yeah. So it's here. See, if you can see, guys, it's over there. The code, yeah. Authenticity code. It's over there. Okay. So the code or the authenticity code, this one is NZ3159. So this one is made 2019, 35 weeks of 2019. So this item is from 2019. It was 35 weeks of 2019. Okay, guys. So that's my item. And actually, guys, they have a lot of different design of this Taigarama. So this is monogram. So I bought it for, I can use it or my brother, but I will give it to my brother. I know this is not used. Okay, this is really brand new. I just removed the ribbon and the paper bag. The paper bag actually is there because it has you know, it's a scratch from my cat. Okay, good thing he didn't broke the carton. So that's it, guys. I hope you like my unboxing. So this one, so it's some, yeah, see, they told me my friend got a little bit smaller bags with this one. So guys, this one, they have different color. They have pink, they have the mirror, and they have like pink, blue, different design, different design of this coin card wallet. I really like this one. See, you can put your receipt, coins, folded money here. Okay, and it's like it's not, it will not eat space. You can put it on your on your BB Alma. It's just enough, guys. It will not eat that much space. Okay, I think you can put also some keys inside. You can use it also as a card key, like wallet keys if you want, because it has, see, you can expand it, guys. So that's what I know because my friend is using it. She put her keys and everything inside. So that's it, guys. I hope you really like my unboxing today, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next unboxing. And I'm sorry, guys, I will do also a review for some of the items that I bought like used one and brand new item that I already used because I travel, guys. So please watch out for that vlogs. If I have time, I'm going to post it, guys. And thank you very much, and see you soon, guys. Thank you.